Monitoring customer satisfaction is a must. But analyzing customer reviews can be really painstaking. We assume here you know how to import your raw data from a spreadsheet into SimpleX. In short, it will turn this ugly spreadsheet into that nice SimpleX survey, ready for analysis. Once imported, each review is already tagged with its keywords, its NPS score, some preset filters like dates or sentiment, and all the segment filters you have selected, here the member status and the location. It makes searching within the reviews super easy. Let's say you are looking for reviews with negative comments from Platinum members. Here we go. In this case, you have 2 of them. Your ultimate goal is to classify these reviews into different topics. With SimpleX there are many ways of doing that, all boosted by cutting-edge AI. When it comes to build topics really specific to your business, SimpleX is second to none in terms of flexibility and control. Let's say you want to make a topic about quality and choice of vehicles. Pick one relevant review and ask SimpleX to find similar answers, based on meaning. Now, you can just create this topics and move these answers into it in one click. Once you have started populating a topic, following this approach or just using keywords, then ask SimpleX to suggest relevant reviews to add, again based on meaning. And step-by-step build as many topics as required, with full control. It works even if answers are in different languages and often even despite misspelling. There is even a super express way. Well, if one of our pre-trained industry models suits your needs. Then it is a matter of seconds to categorize the entire dataset. In this example, our retail classification model is a pretty good match. Once categorized, you can browse, find, count, compare. Of course, you can adjust topic labels. Say you want to read for the most negative reviews mentioning pricing issues. In few clicks, you know exactly how many of them you can read and share for further action. Note that our industry models are featured only in our enterprise plans. And of course, we can build for you a completely custom model to serve your specific needs. You can start mining precious business insights and share them thanks to the amazing DataViz module. Tree maps, bar charts, word clouds, timeline, keywords association. And all the charts can be instantaneously filtered. Building a powerful report is a matter of minutes. SimpleX is your best friend to mine insights from text data. Because spreadsheets are for numbers.